Hey y'all, this is Dr. Bove. I just wanted to give you a nice welcome on the first day of class. We are doing Linguistics 503, Exploring Language Systems at the graduate level. Thank you to everybody for getting creative and being flexible so that we can make sure this class was offered. This class is going to be really unique because it is just graduate students and because or a graduate level class, we have a mix of grad and undergrad. And we've got a 5-week period to cram all this information in, so it's going to be exciting. I've got some due dates, and I'm pretty firm on my due dates. Of course, if something pops up, communicate with me. I know 5 weeks can be tough, and a sick kid can really put you behind, but we want to make sure that we're getting this information as quickly as possible, and it's very easy to fall behind, especially in a 5-week course. So you'll see when you get into the course and through the information videos, I walk through exactly what the course looks like. It's a little different because usually I offer this course during the semester, but the information is pretty much the same. One key difference is this has, as it is a graduate level course, it has an optional component that's going to be very helpful. So if you are in the Spanish MA program, which several of you are, there is a book that's on the reading list called The Language Instinct by Steven Pinker. It's a great book. I actually highly recommend it to everyone. It's a little outdated, but kind of a classic. So we are going to go through that. There's a separate module, and all of the discussions and everything are due. I'm going to say due. I'm going to stop checking the forums every Friday, starting with not tomorrow, but next week will be our first section. So for this, it's really just a way to participate in reading another item on your reading list. This is totally optional. You can participate as much or as little as you want. If you are an undergrad trying out this grad course, maybe check it out, see what a graduate discussion would look like. On these discussion forums, if you're in the Spanish MA program, I'm fine with you writing in whichever language you prefer. Also, in any of the forums that we do, English will be our language of choice, but in any of the papers that you write, you can choose any language. This goes for all students. Let me clarify. Spanish and English. You can turn assignments in Spanish or English, but in any of the class forums, it will be good to do those in English. So just so we can maintain, the exception to that being the Pinker discussion forums for the MA students. All right, so I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to be pretty glued to my computer. I'm going to be participating in the conversations. Feel free to shoot me emails. Again, the thing that I really want this summer is all 10 of you, all 11 of you, to make it through this class, right? You have all been so patient and so wonderful, and I'm so happy that we were able to offer this course. So please communicate any needs you have with me. We have our first set of assignments due tomorrow. It's all the getting to know you stuff, so we can start creating that nice little class community. And then we have other assignments due later in the weekend where it's just kind of getting our toes wet with the introduction to exactly what linguistics is. If you've taken a linguistics class before, this is really going to be a nice refresher. The unique thing if you're in the MA program is that we're analyzing lots of languages and not just Spanish. And if you have taken previous LING courses, we're getting into a lot more detail, and we're going to get a lot of nice practice in analyzing data. So it should be fun. If you have questions, I'm here. I'm really looking forward to working with each and every one of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.